how to reset DNS in Godaddy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about your DNS and how you could reset it to a default version. Now, unfortunately, there is no a button for you to easily reset a DNS after you accidentally mess something up or after you accidentally deleted a specific record. But what I could suggest that you guys do is to locate or find a domain that is not yet touched or has its DNS management not yet touched and use that as a template to figure out what specific records has been missing and what specific records do not belong to your records. For example, over here on our list over here or my domain list, I have not connected my domain to any website or any platform just yet. So my DNS over here has been untouched. So you guys could copy off my DNS records over here and you could easily add new records over here on the top section. You could click on add new record and select the specific type and enter the different information. Aside from that, you could also delete specific domains or listings over here that you don't want to appear on your DNS section over here. So if it does not belong to the default list of DNS, you could easily delete it from the delete button over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.